right, continuing with our focus on cybersecurity as AI adoption increases, ensuring the security of AI systems has become more urgent than ever. Silicon Valley-based Operant AI claims it is the world's only runtime AI application defense platform. The venture is launching its presence in India to fuel faster and safer AI innovation to India's rapidly developing AI sector and the industries that engage with it. To elaborate on the road ahead, joining me now is Vrajesh Bhavsar, co-founder and CEO of Operant AI. Vrajesh, welcome to Startup Street. It's a homecoming of sorts for you after years of innovation in Silicon Valley. What motivated you to bring Operant's cybersecurity solution to India? And how do you see the Indian market's unique needs in terms of an AI security?
Thank you. Thanks, Shruti, and thanks for having me here. India is one of the world leaders in AI. At Operant, we have built one of the most advanced AI security platform, and we want to enable AI innovation in India as we are doing this globally.
All right,
AI innovation.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, I was going to say that AI innovation is moving very, very fast, and we work with so many engineering and security leaders across the board, and they all recognize the need and the urgency for what they need to do to protect these AI applications that are increasingly getting productized in their cloud environments. And whether someone is at an Indian enterprise or working for a global company, there is this need that is very timely. And really what's unique with the Indian market and the sector is India has shown again and again that how we leapfrog to become the world leader in any sector. We have done this with mobile, with cloud computing, and even our space programs. And as investments and growth happens in the AI infrastructure, Operant is ready to be part of the age of AI with India.
Okay. Rajesh, you claim to be the world's only runtime AI application defense platform. Now, what does this mean for the broader cybersecurity landscape, and what sets your platform apart from traditional security tools available?
Yeah, thanks. So defense is really key here, right? If you look at majority of cloud security and the cybersecurity landscape, majority of these tooling offers visibility. And then it adds a whole lot of work for engineers to act on this. And, a lot of this is static scanning and kind of a continuous barrage of a lot of tasks that are coming to engineers. But what we have done in a really kind of a different approach to tackle the age of AI is kind of really deep understanding of what is happening when AI gets productized. Right? AI happens at runtime. And in this age of AI, you can't simply just observe and get visibility on what's happening and then ask your engineers to solve something and wait for days or weeks for that problem to be solved. Meanwhile, an attack can happen under minutes and can cause havoc for a company. So what we built is a 3D runtime defense platform, which means it brings unique capabilities under a single platform, which is discovery, detection, and defense. And we do this across the board. That makes us the most advanced platform.
All right. Privacy is a critical concern in AI, especially with sensitive data like citizenship IDs and bank account numbers. So tell us, how does Operant AI's auto-redaction technology help organizations ensure that data privacy without compromising their AI initiatives as well?
Yeah, I'm really, really excited about this capability that we are bringing to market. This is the need of the hour because, so many enterprises are dealing with bringing AI models and AI services and AI APIs, embedding them into their critical products and cloud applications and AI applications. And with the pace of innovation that's happening behind these AI initiatives, there is so much sensitive data, business critical data that gets shared with some third-party AI models. And once some AI model gets some piece of critical data or sensitive data or AWS keys and all these things that are so important for the business, that AI model will have a copy of it forever. And that can be learning and sharing and doing other things that were not intended as the original purpose. So we have brought this really unique capability that actually detects what kind of data is moving across your system, and then also brings capability to block such kind of calls. And if you want to allow for some calls, you can actually also redact just those sensitive data payloads. And that kind of capability to run at scale, to run locally, is something that a lot of enterprises are seeing in their ecosystem.
All right. So going back to your India launch, who have you partnered with in India? Who's your clientele? And also, if you could take us through your current business growth numbers, the current revenue picture, and of course, any new offerings in the pipeline.
Yeah, the response here has been so tremendous. We are seeing so much interest from the high-tech, fintech, BFSI sectors, and related industries. And really, it's very aligned to what we had been looking at across the globe as well. And in terms of we are going to be announcing a lot of new partnerships, and I can tell you, like, we are seeing interest across a lot of the AI infrastructure and cloud infrastructure companies are looking at creating these unique partnerships because there is a lot of need in the market to bring some turnkey solution like this that can allow for the Indian ecosystem to keep moving fast.
All right. On that note, it's time for me to wrap up our conversation. Many thanks, Vrajesh, for joining us on Startup Street, and wish you the very best with all your plans.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
On that note, it's time for us